Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 brightness increase and decrease problem. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your search menu and type a device manager. Open device manager, select the monitors and expand it. Select a monitor adapter, right click, click on update driver, click on browse my computer from drivers, click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computer, select a model, click on next to continue and click on close button. Click and close it, and after doing this step restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a device manager. Open device manager, select a display adapter and expand it. Select a display adapter, right click, click on update driver, click on search automatic from drivers. Now Windows has successfully updated your driver. Close it and close it. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager. Open a device manager, click on display adapter and expand it. Select it, right click, click on update driver, click on search automatic drivers, click on search for update driver on Windows Update. Check for updates. If any updates available, then download and install into your PC. Now, in my case is a up to date. So after doing this step, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.